SUI could lose 7.1% by July 10, as reported by Gulf Capital Collector. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. SUI has seen a 2.3% bump over the last day and is now trading near $0.7218. Let's go straight to the analysts' views. Gulf Capital Collector sees the price pulling back to $0.6694 by July 10th, a potential drop of 7.1%. SUI is projected to fall to $0.6944 per 30 rates, marking a decline of 3.6%. According to CoinLore, it might push down towards $0.7048, a potential decrease close to 2.2%. Another prediction by CoinPrice Forecast expects SUI may climb to 73 cents, roughly 1.3% above now. Finally, CoinDataFlow aims for $0.7797 by tomorrow with a rise of 8.2%. This is the best return scenario we covered. All 5 forecasts are in. Let's go further into the picture. After combining all the analyst predictions, here's the full picture. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a decline of 7.1% and a gain of 8.2%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that CoinDataFlow expects the highest return with 8.2% gain in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could realize between $13 and $82 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at probabilities, CoinPrice Forecast ranks as the strongest, with a 89.6% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 forecasts, I've put forward a consensus view. Looking at the consensus, SUI is set near $0.7157. Let's unpack the details together. The consensus picture places the price 0.7% below current levels. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 0.7% reflecting that same shift. A 1,000 setup might point to a potential $7 increase. And the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 92.1%. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. Gulf Capital Collector emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Also, 30 Rates believes the chart points to a decline. A decline is additionally anticipated by CoinLore, with bearish pressure in play. CoinPrice Forecast expects SUI to rise over the next few days. According to CoinDataFlow, the price path is meanwhile set to rise. According to the consensus, SUI is expected to show further weakness in the short term. Collectively, the majority of views highlight a bearish stance on SUI. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. By the close, the price stood at $0.7111. Yesterday showed that most analysts had the correct forecast on direction. If accuracy decides, then Gulf Capital Collector was the most on point. Now for the details. Yesterday's candle boundaries aligned with 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 4.8%. Take a look at the complete overview. All forecasts matched against reality. As seen in today's data, CoinDataFlow delivered minus 3.5% ROI and $0.0411 accuracy. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between SUI and others. PEEP takes the lead at 3.3%, while SUI sits lower in rank. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and you can explore more coins and daily forecasts on my website. If SUI is on your watch list, a quick like would tell me to keep covering it for you. See you in the next one.